Alright, so here we get the charcoal. Charcoal is made through a process called pyrolysis, which is combustion in the absence of oxygen. We use charcoal out in the forge and in the charcoal barbecue. So we need a 45-gallon barrel, a smaller 30-gallon barrel, and cut the top and the bottom off the 45-gallon barrel. So there they are. I use cold chisel and a hammer. Cut them out. Then a few bricks on the ground. Put one side of the metal on that metal barrel on the outside, the little one on the top of the metal plate, and get a couple boys. Put them to work for a few hours. Nice burn. We had a good time with it, but it did take probably 2-3 hours. A little bit of waiting. In the end, we got about 2/3 of that barrel full of charcoal. And that charcoal was made from poplar, but you can make it from anything else you want.